Okay, so it's pretty late at night and myself and James decided that we're going to make a cake in a mug in the microwave. So here's the mug and this is James. Okay, so first of all we need 4 tablespoons of flour. Wait, I'll use this one. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, and 4. I don't know what this is gonna taste like. Who knows? Okay, 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a whole lot of sugar. Okay, and then what do we need? 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Oh. 1, 2. There, now we need 1 egg. But we cracked it prior, so. Wait, should we mix it up first? Let's mix it up first. We'll put the egg in a minute. Okay, hang on. Okay, that looks good, right?
In goes the egg.
It looks good. So in goes the egg. Go, James.
Here goes the egg.
Yay! And then we need 3 tablespoons of milk. Yes, guys, milk. 1, 2, 3. And then, how many do we need of oil?
1.
1?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. No, we need 3. It says 3.
It's 1.
It says 3.
No, I'm pretty sure it's 1, Crystal.
No, because I put it under the same thing. We'll put 2 in, and then if it's bad, we'll put 3 in. Let's just put 3.
It's because you're not eating it.
Okay. Now we have to mix it. Ew, it's gross. Yummy. Okay, so just so everyone knows, I have never ever attempted this recipe before, and I have no idea how it's about to taste. So, but that's okay because James is going to eat it, not me. Yay! Okay, that's pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
We should be right.
Over to the microwave.
Okay, wait. I'll put it in a second. Okay, wait.
3 minutes. 3.
Oh shit.
Crystal, lick the spoon.
Wait, let's watch this. Let's see if it works.
Lick the spoon, Crystal.
Hang on, how much time do we have?
It's been nearly 4 minutes.
Okay. We should be right, yeah? I did, I licked it.